sounds echo with ghoulish delight.
Foolish mortals, to the haunted mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
And consider this dismaying observation.
This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour. And there are several prominent ghosts who have retired here from creepy old crypts all over the world. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you insist on lagging behind, you may not need to volunteer. And now, a carriage approaches to take you into the boundless realm of the supernatural. Procure one by the hand and mighty fortress. Oh yes, and no flash pictures. These spirits will not be sensitive. Unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps and hot and cold running chills. Listen.
Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies, toads and huns.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations. They are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake. You'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
Go straight to the tombstone switch.
There's a little matter I forgot to mention. Beware of hitchhiking
We've been dying to have you.